Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, and welcome to another Anime Guy recommendation. I will be recommending SP Anime Addict. He does anime reviews, impressions of series, but mostly he does anime unboxings. That's what I watch him for. I really enjoy his unboxings. He unboxes a variety of anime, and I wonder where he gets the money to afford all this nice stuff to unbox. And I like good unboxing channels because it's nice to see someone support the industry and show off what they bought. And his videos, in my opinion, are good quality. You can see everything in and on the box. And I really like his personality. In his videos, I can see he really enjoys what he's doing, and I like to see that. I look forward to every time he gets a new anime to unbox. So please check him out when you've got time. Link to his channel will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time.